guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a super easy how-to styling video on how I detangle and just revamp my curly hair. I love curly hair. Totally like my go-to hairstyle is curly bundles. So I'm gonna show y'all how I revamp and just add pizzazz to old hair or just dried out bundles or whatever. The hair being brought to you in this video is from Beauty Forever. I love working with Beauty Forever. Even though I have my own hair brand, I love working with them. They're really nice people, and yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse some old bundles and just bring it back to life and make them look snatched or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my curly bundles in, and there's literally two things I do. Two things, guys, literally two. And it's water and some cream, that's it.
Water and cream is all you need to revive your bundle, sis.
But I kind of look cute with the like big hair type of feel. I'm feeling like Shaka Khan or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, I like how this looks. So don't you guys think this is cute, like the big hair look? And like it's kind of messy. If y'all like that hairstyle, you can keep it like it is, like really like just big and poofy. But if you want it to be a little bit tamed, first things first, I'm the realist. Second things first is some water. You don't have to get your hair damp, or sorry, you don't have to get your hair completely drenched. Just get it a little damp, to the point to where it's like easy to comb through and stuff. When it's really big and stuff, you can't really comb through it that well. And yeah. So this is just a spray bottle. You can get these at Sally's or your local beauty supply, or you can use like an empty setting spray bottle. That's what I use sometimes when I can't find this bottle. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys one side, just because it'll just be repetitive to show you guys how I do both sides. But once I get the water all throughout the hair, I like to go in and just finger comb. Because once it's finger combed, you can work with it more easy. I don't know how to word that. Sorry, I'm illiterate. I love how good the curls form in this hair. See, I'm just combing it out and all that. And then I'm gonna go in. Wow! I just spilled this literally everywhere. I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. Anyway, this is some ultra cholesterol conditioning treatment from Dark and Lovely. And I've had this for a minute now, but it works really well. You can get it from the beauty supply. I don't know if they have it still. This is kind of old, but since my hair is fake, it's not gonna like do anything to it. If this is real hair, or if this is like my human hair, I most definitely would not be using this on it just because it's really old. But I'm sure they have a like updated version of this at your beauty supply. I think you should, if you're trying to find this exact product, go to a beauty supply, preferably in the hood, because they won't have this at Sally's. Let's just keep it real, sis. They won't have it. So yeah, hit up, you know, your beauty supply in the hood, and you will be good to go. Cause look at how good this is making my curls look. Like the water, it just isn't enough. Like sure, the water makes it like, you know, bounce back a little bit, but this just makes it pop, and like it makes it shiny. It makes it just looks good. It just makes it look good, period. The curls are popping after only using 2 products. Like, look at my hair, you guys. Sorry, I have to make a thumbnail. I feel like life with Mac. Look at the before. Okay, really big, poofy. Look at the after. And I'm trying to get the product all throughout the hair. If you aren't a fan of like tamed curly hair, then this isn't for you, this video. But sometimes I want to wear big curly hair, and sometimes I want the curls to just be really defined and, you know, laid and all that stuff. So yeah. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a big old thumbs up. I love you guys all so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye. Mwah.
Let's go sign the divorce, so what? dance like Michael. No ice, no fish, no titles. No, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse before the award show. Eye contact on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Crushing this fire, I'm also. Young Jiggy dying on the floor, so keep on my heart to the core, so I guess we all gotta.